Guys, Friends town went out of power again. Storm moving in, storm inbound, fucking raining. Yep, guys, yeah, she's here. Holy sh. Yeah, you hear that, guys? I'm gonna get the fuck inside. Damn. Hey guys, telling the power out. The power went out. The power went out exactly 5 minutes. Oh my god. 5 to 10 minutes ago. Oh, shit. That is fucking creepy. Okay. Guys. Literally the fucking town. Oh my gosh. The town literally went dark 10 minutes ago. Yep, guys, I'm afraid of thunderstorms if you are. Yeah. Guess you guys are afraid of it. Just comment. Because I'm scared of it too. Guys, the reason how the power outage went out is because this thunderstorm before it hit town. Yeah, the thunderstorm hit the turbines, or it went through the turbines, which causes the turbines somehow stop functioning in a way. So, yeah. Looks like there's gonna be no more online gameplays for the night. Trying to monitor. Yeah, I'm trying to monitor. Oh my god. Holy crap. Yep. Guys, I am really afraid of fucking thunderstorms. Ooh, that one's pretty loud. So I just close my ears because I just get afraid. You know what I mean? If I was just thinking, dude, you're a pussy, or dude, you're, you know. Yeah, but still. It's like nuclear warfare. Aren't we all afraid of that? But oh my gosh, holy crud. Damn. Oh my. Ooh. It's almost here. I'm gonna close my ears a little bit longer. I am really afraid now, guys. The lights are oh my god. Hey! Holy mother of pearl! Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Oh my god. Holy yeah, it's rumbling, baby. Oh my gosh. Oh. Holy crap. Oh my god. Yeah, guys, I am really afraid of this shit. Holy. Oh my gosh. Oh, holy crap, dudes. Guys. Holy moly. Oh my gosh, guys. It is thundering to beat hell outside. Holy crap. God. Estimated time is around 8:30. 7:30 p.m. Saturday. It is Now it's downpouring to beat crap. Holy moly, yeah, guys, the storm is now here. Jeez. Yeah, guys, it's thunderstorming. Holy moly. Okay, guys, I'm back again. Luckily, it is an odd silent right now. The one is picking up. Oh boy, seen that, guys? Guys, see that thunderstorm? Pretty sure you did. So guys, you know, so right now it's raining outside as I'm seeing it right now. Holy moly, guys. Jeez. It is raining to beat crap. So oh. Okay, that scared the freak out of me. Oh my gosh, guys, lights went out. I'm kidding. I switched it. Holy moly, guys, it is downpouring the fog. Holy crap. Holy crap, dude. No wonder why the power went out. Holy moly. Guys. Dudes, look at all that rain. Oh my gosh. I can't even tell if that's thunder or what, or snow or what. All as I know, it's coming down. Oh, guys, I'm glad I'm in this place, in this house right now, instead of the shack where I usually do gameplays. Oh gosh. Damn. Oh my gosh, it looks like it's flooding, but it's just rain. Jeez. Yes, one of my fears, guys, if you get to know me better, one of my fears is thunderstorms. Yes, it is. But some just makes me excited, happy. Some just make me fucking scared as shit, like this one. Crap, man, that Holy cruddy. Guys, that was intense to start off this video. It was Saturday, so no video Sunday. Okay, that one kind of scared me. Huh. Jeez, see how long those bright flash of lightning is? Jeez, guys, this is intense as crap. See what you guys thinking. Yes, the power did went out in the middle of watching a movie, but then suddenly the lights went out. I knew the lights were coming out, turning off, guys, because the legit lights, like, you know, lamps or whatever, they were flickering. Yes, the lights flickered off for 1 second, turned back on fast, but it wasn't a power outage. But then everything went out, and everything turned back on. Man, guys. I guess we could say this in our Thunderstorm vlog. I'm gonna go downstairs quick. I'm gonna start this funny movie all over again because it was powering off. Nothing really going on here today, guys. But still, that was intense AF. Gee. Ooh. There we go. There's a bang. You guys wanna know how bright it is? Or rainy it is? Here we go. Holy moly. Guys. Damn. Damn it! Dropped it. Guys, you should get this fucking tablet, man. I dropped like that. Wouldn't it be smashed? Guys, smashed like that. I gotta stop holding it like that. Oh, shit. Sorry, I swore. Like, isn't that everybody's reaction when they drop their tablet? Their phone? Shit. Unless they don't really care about their phone device, they just drop it. Shit like that, if it cracks your screen, pretty much, you know, you're done. Buy a new one. Buy a new screen. What do you want, Bella? You scared of thunderstorms? I would be too. Yeah, go home, you stupid thunder. God. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, hope you enjoy, and bye.